This next new feature in Storyline 2 is going to save you a lot of time when animating multiple objects on a slide using the same animation. So instead of recreating an animation like we did in the previous movie, this custom motion path for our pie chart, and if we wanted that same animation for our title or maybe for parts of our legend, for example, well, we can now copy animations with the Format Painter and simply apply it to other objects, just like we can with text, say in PowerPoint or Word, for example. Here's how it's done. First, we need to select the object that contains the animation. In this case, I'm going to select my pie chart here. Now I can see over here that it has a freeform motion path animation, and I want to use that same animation on maybe each of these little squares that appear in the legend. Well, in that case, with the Animations tab selected, I can go to the Animation Painter. And you'll notice if you click once, you'll be able to copy the animation to a single object. But I want multiple objects, so when I come up here, double-clicking allows me to apply that animation to multiple objects. So I'm going to do that. Double-click. I've now copied the animation. As I move my mouse pointer around, you can see there's a paintbrush attached to it. And now I can select the objects that I want to apply that same animation to. In this case, it's each of these little squares that appear as part of the legend. There we go. I can press Escape when I'm done, so I'm no longer applying an animation that's been copied. Go up here to the Preview drop-down and preview just this slide. I know the original motion path happens automatically when the slide appears. Well, here comes the pie and each of those little squares that are part of the legend because I was able to use the Format Painter to apply the same animation to multiple objects. A nice time saver and brand new here in Storyline 2.